one main thing would be the age. So typically at Fast, we like to say anything above 10 years is there's a real risk when you're going to just repair something. Sometimes, depending on if the customer actually kept up on maintenance or if we had a maintenance plan and we knew we were keeping up on maintenance, things can be a little bit different, or if you have a better warranty. But in general, what happens when you call us out and you want us to maybe repair it, and we're like, oh, your tank's 12 years old, I don't know if it's that great of an idea. If I go to drain that tank and replace a part on it, you have a bunch of sediment from you never draining it at any point, and that sediment's going to wash away and expose a really rusty bottom essentially. And so if you're thinking you're removing something that's plugging a hole, you're going to then develop a leak. And that's one of the main things when we're kind of diagnosing between whether it's eligible or worthy of being replaced. Mainly is that maintenance, is someone keeping up on maintenance. The other things is, was it installed up to code in the beginning? So if it wasn't installed up to code, you're already having an issue, and it could be because of that code related issue that was not installed properly in the first place. I'm going to want to get a new tank in there because it's already been compromised essentially. So those are a couple ways or a couple things that I pay attention to, mainly again age and condition, and how it was installed in the first place.